Let us see the second question in quiz 1, that is finding the power supplied by 25 volts. So this is your circuit. So in solving any circuit, so just don't jump to calculation. Just don't try to solve the circuit. First observe the circuit, what they have given and what we have to find. So in this we have to find power supplied by 25 volts. For that we need to have power equation. How to find the power? Power equal to voltage into current, or power equal to current square into resistance, or power equal to voltage square by R. So can I use this P equal to I square into R? No, because there is no any value for R. Can I use this V square by R? No, there is no any value for resistance. In the problem they haven't given any resistance value. So ultimately we need to use this equation only. So in this V and I are multiplied and they are asking power supplied by 25 volts. So it means that indirectly they have given V value is V equal to 25 volts. So already we got in two terms, we have the value of one term, that is V equal to 25. If I know this I value, that is of current from this 25 volts, that is this I. If I know this value, if I multiply that I value with the 25, that gives you power. So for that, so in this circuit we have some dependent sources, dependent current source, and some unnecessary some voltage drops also they have given to make the confusion, to create confusion in students. In the examination they will give you some unnecessary information. So our task is to use only the necessary information. With that necessary information we have to find our required quantities. Here our required quantity is I value. They have given R1, its voltage drop is 17 volts, and the current flowing through the R2 is 14 amps. So apply, let us consider this is a point A, this is a node A. Apply KCL at node A. Apply KCL at node A. What is the KCL? Incoming current is equal to incoming current equal to outgoing current. Incoming current equal to outgoing current. Already we have seen Kirchhoff current law. Incoming current equal to outgoing current. So this is your incoming current and this is also incoming current. So this is your outgoing current. So here I can write I is I plus 0.4, I is equal to 14. I plus 0.4 I equal to 1.4, I is equal to 14. Then I equal to 14 by 1.4, which is equal to 14 by 14 into 10. 14 gets cancelled. This is your 10 amperes. So from this we can write P is equal to V into I. What is V value? 225 into 10, which is equal to 250 watts. So is there any difficulty for in finding this power supplied by the 25 volts? Only observation is required. So remember one thing, like while solving any circuit problem, just don't directly jump to the calculations. First observe the circuit and what we have to find and what they have given. These 2 points you need to clearly understand. Then only it is possible to find. Easily it is possible to find or it is easily possible to solve any circuit. So the observation is very important. Thank you. In the next class, in the next video, we will see the third problem.